Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I clean my glass top stove. Food burn, grease, we're gonna clean all of it. Very easy steps. This is the foggy thing that happens with my cookware. They won't go away. So this thing I got from Home Depot. Take a screenshot. You will need a SOS and any cleaning spray. I'm using this Lysol, just spray. Now we're gonna take this scraper. You see, it is so easy. Let me zoom in and show you. This is so effortless. And then this is the grease, which we're gonna clean it with the SOS. Now we're gonna take the SOS, spray some. You can take any spray of your choice, even water. But I will say spray something instead of water. And I have been doing this from last 4 years. So you can see this stovetop, how nice it stays. Take a damp cloth and wipe away. Now I'm gonna take Bounty for some extra shine. And here you go, guys. See how nicely it's done? I hope you like this video and do give it a try. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.